Hey guys, welcome to my channel, it's Riley. Today I'm going to do this makeup look using the Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette and some other drugstore products. And yeah, if you like, please subscribe. Okay, I have a bit of a sinus infection, so I'm going to sound a little stuffy, but I wanted to do just a makeup tutorial today. And yeah, just using some drugstore products, I think. Okay, I'm gonna conceal my eyelids with this NYX HD Photogenic concealer. Just put that on my eyelids. I'm gonna go in with a beauty blender and then blend that. I'm gonna put primer on my face, and I'm gonna use this e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. I'd say it like creates a hydrating layer on your face, is how I describe it. And then I'm gonna go in with eyeshadow. I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. And then I'm first gonna go in with Tempera for a transition shade. Just do windshield wiper motions. I did a very light layer of that, and then I'm gonna go in with Golden Ochre and this one, and then do the same thing, put that all over. And just keep building it up. And I like bring it in to the inner corner, kind of carving out my nose a little bit. Okay. And then I'm gonna go in with raw sienna, which is this yeah, that color. And I'm gonna do the same thing and darken it up. Blend it up. So this is what it looks like so far. Very light. Yeah, very natural looking. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the shadow brush. This one's from the Makeup by Mario collection at Sephora. And I'm gonna go in with raw sienna and just put that on the brush and then focus it on the outer corner of my eye. And it doesn't have to be perfect because I'm gonna blend it up. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with the fluffy brush again and just blend that. I'm gonna go in with Cypress Unbar. Yeah, this dark brown. And use the shadow brush and do on the very outer corner of my eye, near the lash line. Then I'm gonna blend that in the fluffy brush. And then I'm gonna go in with Primavera on a flat shadow brush. Like that. Put that on there, and then put it on the inner corner of my eye. So I kept it to the inner half of my eye, and then I'll switch it, and I'll do the same other side. It's a very nice, simple smoky eye, golden smoky eye to do. good for everyday or nighttime stuff, out to dinner. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild foundation I'm just going to use this foundation. It's not the dewy one, but I do want to try the dewy one. But I'm going to use this in the color Buff and put that all over my face. Then I'm going to blend it in with a beauty blender. I like to blend a lot just to make sure everything is very seamless and has no streaks or marks. I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. color correcting stick. It's green. Just put it on here and here. Then lightly press that in with my finger. I'm going to use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. This is a different one than I put on my eyelids, because the other one's almost out. So I'm just going to put this under my eye. And I like to use the concealer to clean up the eyeshadow a bit by drawing a line. And then I'll go in with the beauty blender and blend that in. I'm just going to use my finger. The highlight I'm going to use is Makeup Revolution Unicorn Elixir one. It's definitely glowy, a little bit like purpley. And then I'm going to go in with cream contour. And then the contour I like that I'm going to use today is the e.l.f. cream contour palette. Works well. Stippling brush to put it on. And then I kind of just like to mix all of the contour colors. And then put it under the cheekbone. Around the forehead where the sun would hit. Okay, now I'm going to use a beauty blender and blend this all in. I will blend this all in. I'm going to set the under eyes now using this BECCA Hydra-Mist setting powder, and just use the beauty blender and put that under. And then whatever is left over I just kind of dab into the face. The next step I'm going to do is bronzer. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild contour palette and use the brown for a little bit of bronzer. I have a slightly angled brush and then using the pale side, I'm going to take a fluffy powder brush and carve out underneath my bronzer, just a line from my ear to my lip. I'm going to add a little blush. This is Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Blush. and it's like this. So my color loved me the best. And then I like to go over with the beauty cleanser and just okay. I'm gonna use the NYX Strobe of Genius highlighting kit, and I'm gonna use this big champagne color. This little brush and go in with this highlight color, put it on the tip of my nose and down the center of my nose. I'm also going to put that in the inner corner of my eyes. And under my eyebrow. I'm just going to use this e.l.f. Wow Brow and fluff out my brows a little bit. Just add some color and then also gives more fullness. My mascara that I'm going to use is Girl Lash Fusion, Lash Fusion. Okay, I just sprayed this e.l.f. Soothing Aloe Mist all over my face. And then I'm gonna go in with this Morphe Luminous Setting Spray and spray that a bit. It smells really good. For lips, I think I'm gonna go in with this Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme in the color Tangerine Dream. It's not as bright as it looks. So it just gives a nice little color to your lips, and it will burn. And yeah, if you like, please subscribe. Thanks. Bye.